Hello everyone, I am Abhishek SR and studying in first year MBA in GMIT College, Davangere. I am presenting about functions of marketing. Introduction to functions of marketing. Marketing is a crucial business functions that involves creating, communicating, and value to customer. Encompasses a range of activities including market research, product development, pricing, promotion, and distribution. The ultimate goal of marketing is a safety customer need and when to will achieving organization objectives. Marketing research is involving gathering, analyze and information about a marketing customer and competitor. It helps business understanding customer trends and behavior to make informed decision. By conducting a market research can identify opportunity, access market potential and mitigate risk. Product development is the process of creating a designing and improving product or service to meet customer need and preferences. Market collaboration with product development to ensure the product are with market demand and competitive of offerings. The functions involves identifying features, benefit and potential strategies that differentiate product in the marketplace. Pricing strategy involves determining the optimal price for the product or service based on market conditions, cost and value perceptions. Market consider factors such as pricing objectives, competition, customer to play and pricing models. A well-defined pricing strategies can impact marketing shares and customer perceptions of value. Customer relationship management is a marketing functions that focus on building and maintaining the long-term relationship with the customer. Market use CRM system to gather customer data and deliver targeted marketing campaigns. By customer relationship business can increase the customer loyalty, relation and lifetime value. Brand management involves creating a maintaining and enhancing the reputation and perception of a brand in the marketplace. Marketers development brand strategy, message and visual identity to differentiate the brand from competitors and regional with the targeted audience. Strong brand management can drive brand equity, customer loyalty and competitive advantage. The conclusion of marketing play visual role in driving business growth, customer and competitive advantage. By understanding customer need, creating a value propositions and delivering expansions, marketing can influence customer behavior and achieve organization objectives. Embracing a customer center approach and adapting to changing market dynamic for success today's competitive business environmental.